Section 6 Solar Panels. Lecture number 1 Types of PV cell and solar panel. Learning objective of lecture 1. Learner should able to identify types of solar cell. Learner should able to understand latest technology of solar cell. Learner should able to identify types of solar panel used. Now we will step by step see the types of PV cell. Basically there are two types of PV cells we are using currently in the market. One is crystalline silicon, that is a wafer base. This is very popular in the recent type of solar installations. In the crystalline silicon, it is a small wafer or thin solar cell which we are using to manufacture a solar panel. In that further it is classified in the two categories, that one is polycrystalline, other is monocrystalline of solar cells. Next is thin film type of solar cells. Here totally 5 ways we are classifying. One is amorphous silicon, next is tandem, that is a microcrystalline structure. Third is CIGS, that is a copper, indium, gallium and selenide. Fourth is cadmium telluride, and fifth is dye-sensitized TiO2 type of material. Types of solar cells. Basically there are major 3 types of solar cell that we are currently using by the most of the manufactured solar companies. One is monocrystalline solar cell, polycrystalline solar cell and amorphous type of solar cell. Nowadays monocrystalline is very popular. In monocrystalline solar cell is made up of a single large crystal. It is most efficient, it is most expensive also, it is a better in low light condition. Basically the monocrystalline solar panels is very much important when there is a low light intensity is there from the sun side, but the cost of this monocrystalline solar panel is also more. Its efficiency is also high comparing to the polycrystalline type of solar cell, amorphous type of solar cell. Next is polycrystalline solar cell. It is made up from many small crystals. By using the small crystals, this polycrystalline cell is made. It is less efficient comparing to the monocrystalline type of solar panels. It is less expensive also. For the same wattage, the price of monocrystalline solar cell is more comparing to the polycrystalline solar cell. Better in the low light condition, but not as better as the monocrystalline type of solar cell. Amorphous type of solar cell. It is made up from the small solar panels. Most efficient. It is most expensive than monocrystalline cell. It is not better than other. Basically it is more expensive comparing to the monocrystalline solar cell also, and its efficiency lies between the 17% to 20% range. Latest technology of solar cell. The first type is a monocrystalline silicon cell. Second is polycrystalline silicon cell. Next is amorphous, flexible amorphous thin film, and last is CIGS thin film. Types of solar panels. Monocrystalline panel. Basically there are two types of solar panels are popular, monocrystalline and polycrystalline. Out of that, monocrystalline panel is made up of octagonal type of solar cell structure. Its advantages are it is having the highest efficiency of 15% to 20%. These are space efficient type of solar panels. Its durability is also highest. It tend to perform better at the low light condition also. Disadvantages of the monocrystalline solar panels are these are the most expensive type of panel. Due to the octagonal shape, not all of the incident light is getting captured in the solar cell, but still the efficiency of a solar monocrystalline panel is higher compared to the others. Next is polycrystalline type of solar panel. Its advantages are manufacturing process is simpler and cost is less. The amount of waste silicon is also less. As we have seen, there is no octagonal structure, there is a perfect square structure. The percentage utilization of a solar cell material is also higher. Efficiency is typically in the range of 13 to 16%. Due to the rectangular shape, most of the incident light is getting captured. Disadvantages is it has a lower space efficiency comparing to the monocrystalline type of solar cell.